Hi, in this video we will be talking about hidden costs of working from home. Watch this video to the end to delve into these often overlooked aspects, including increased utility bills, mental and physical health challenges, the impact on career progression. Welcome back to The transition to remote work has been one of the most significant global trends accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic. Companies and employees have embraced the flexibility and potential benefits of working from home, ranging from reduced commuting times to greater autonomy over work hours. However, alongside these apparent advantages, there are numerous hidden costs associated with remote work that both employers and employees must consider. This essay delves into these often overlooked aspects, including increased utility bills, mental and physical health challenges, the impact on career progression, and the implications for corporate culture and teamwork. Financial implications. One of the most immediate hidden costs of working from home is the increase in household expenses. Employees now find that they are using their own resources, such as electricity, heating, and internet services, much more intensively than they did pre-pandemic. Moreover, the need for a suitable home office means that many workers have had to invest in appropriate furniture, technology, and ergonomic equipment to create a productive work environment. These costs, which would typically be borne by an employer in an office setting, have shifted to employees. Mental and physical health. Working from home can also take a toll on both mental and physical health. The lack of a commute might initially seem like a boon, but it also means that remote workers are less physically active. This sedentary lifestyle can lead to various health issues, including obesity, cardiovascular diseases, and other chronic conditions. Furthermore, the isolation of working from home can exacerbate feelings of loneliness and lead to mental health challenges such as anxiety and depression. Mental health professionals have noted an increase in patients experiencing stress and burnout from remote work, partly due to the blurring lines between work and home life. Without the physical separation of an office environment, many individuals find it difficult to switch off from work, leading to longer hours and increased stress. Another significant hidden cost is the potential impact on career progression. Remote workers often struggle with reduced visibility within their organizations, which can lead to fewer opportunities for mentorship, training, and advancement. The adage, out of sight, out of corporate culture and team cohesion. The shift to remote work can also strain the fabric of corporate culture and team cohesion. Organizational culture is built through shared experiences, spontaneous interactions, and a common physical space which are largely absent in a remote working environment. This lack of interaction can lead to a weakening of company identity and values among employees. Moreover, team dynamics often suffer when members are dispersed. Communication can become more challenging, not just in terms of logistics, coordinating across different time zones, but also in effectiveness. The nuances of face-to-face communication, such as body language, tone, and immediate feedback, are diminished in virtual meetings, potentially leading to misunderstandings and inefficiencies. For projects that require high levels of collaboration, creativity, and rapid problem solving, the remote work environment can be less conducive to success. Technological reliance and security concerns. Working from home has necessitated an unprecedented reliance on technology, introducing a range of new costs and challenges. The necessity for robust internet connections, cybersecurity measures, and up-to-date hardware can impose significant costs on both employers and employees. Additionally, the potential for data breaches increases as employees access company networks from various, often less secure, networks at home. The cost of ensuring cybersecurity in a decentralized work environment can be substantial. Companies must invest in secure virtual private networks, VPNs, enhanced security protocols, regular updates, and training for employees on security best practices. The risk of data breaches and cyber attacks not only represents a potential financial cost but can also damage a company's reputation and customer trust. Regulatory and legal considerations. Remote work also brings several regulatory and legal considerations that can incur hidden costs. For example, employers need to ensure they comply with labor laws that vary significantly between jurisdictions, particularly if they employ people across state or national borders. Issues such as overtime pay, work hours, and employee rights must be carefully managed to avoid legal repercussions. Additionally, considerations around health and safety regulations that apply to home offices must be addressed. Employers are responsible for ensuring that employees' home work environments comply with occupational health and safety standards, which can involve assessments and adaptations that are both complex and costly. Impact on local economies and public services. The widespread adoption of remote work has broader economic implications that affect not just individual businesses but entire communities and public services. With fewer people commuting to urban centers, local businesses that relied on office workers, such as cafes, restaurants, and retail stores, have seen a significant downturn. This shift can alter local economies, potentially leading to a decrease in public transportation usage, reduced funding for municipal services, and changes in urban planning and development strategies. Moreover, the decrease in commuting could lead to long-term changes in public transportation systems and infrastructure development. While reduced traffic and pollution are positive outcomes, the potential decrease in revenue for public transit systems might lead to service cuts or higher fares, impacting those who still rely on these services. Personal and professional balance. Finally, the hidden costs of working from home include the challenges of maintaining a healthy balance between personal and professional life. Homes have become offices, and the invasion of work into personal space can lead to a host of issues such as burnout, strained relationships, and a lack of downtime. Parents, in particular, may face the challenge of juggling childcare or homeschooling with work responsibilities, leading to increased stress and decreased productivity. While flexible hours are often cited as a benefit of remote work, they can also lead to work creeping into evenings and weekends, further blurring the lines between work and personal time. This can make it difficult for employees to disconnect, recharge, and maintain mental and physical health. While working from home offers numerous benefits such as flexibility and the potential for a better work-life balance, the hidden costs are significant and multifaceted. These include increased personal expenses, impacts on mental and physical health, challenges to career progression, and strains on corporate culture and team dynamics. Additionally, the shift to remote work involves substantial reliance on technology, with accompanying security risks and legal complexities. Both employers and employees must carefully consider these hidden costs and work together to mitigate them. This might involve creating more structured policies, investing in technology and security, and fostering a corporate culture that supports both remote and in-office employees effectively. By addressing these hidden costs, companies can ensure that the shift to remote work is beneficial for all stakeholders in the long run. Mitigating the hidden costs of remote work. Addressing the hidden costs of remote work requires comprehensive strategies that involve both organizational changes and personal adjustments. Employers and employees need to collaborate to find effective solutions that minimize the downsides while maximizing the benefits of working from home. Here are some of the key strategies that can be employed. Enhancing employee support and resources. Organizations should consider increasing their support for remote employees by providing stipends or reimbursements for home office expenses, such as internet costs, utilities, and necessary office equipment. This not only alleviates financial burdens on employees but also enhances their productivity by ensuring they have a comfortable and efficient workspace. Additionally, employers can offer more robust health and wellness programs that include mental health support, such as access to counseling services and online wellness resources. Providing ergonomic consultations and equipment can help prevent physical health problems that arise from poor home office setups. Implementing flexible work policies. While remote work inherently offers flexibility, employers can further enhance this by implementing policies that truly recognize the needs of their workforce. For example, flexible hours can be structured to allow employees to work during times when they are most productive or when it best fits their personal schedules. To address the issue of work-life balance, companies can establish clear guidelines about off hours to encourage employees to disconnect from work, thereby helping to prevent burnout and maintain a healthy work-life separation. Fostering communication and connection. To combat the isolation of remote work, it's vital for organizations to invest in technologies and practices that enhance communication and foster a sense of belonging among team members. Regular virtual meetings, team-building activities, and digital spaces for social interaction can help maintain team cohesion and reinforce corporate culture. Organizations can also implement mentorship programs that connect remote workers with more experienced colleagues and leadership. This helps maintain visibility and engagement, crucial for career development and progression within the company. Embracing technology and security. Investing in reliable and secure technology is crucial for effective remote work. Companies should provide employees with the necessary tools, such as laptops, software, and access to secure networks via VPNs. Regular training on cybersecurity practices is essential to ensure that all team members understand how to protect sensitive data and recognize potential security threats. Legal compliance and work environment standards. Employers must remain vigilant about compliance with different labor laws, especially as they pertain to remote work. Additionally, conducting virtual ergonomic assessments and ensuring that employees' home offices meet safety standards can prevent workplace injuries and associated liabilities. Supporting local economies and public services. As remote work affects local economies, companies can explore ways to engage with and support the communities in which their employees live. Initiatives could include partnering with local businesses for employee discounts or sponsoring community events. This not only helps the local economy but also boosts the company's image and employee satisfaction. While remote work continues to redefine the traditional workplace landscape, addressing its hidden costs is imperative for sustainable success. By implementing supportive policies, enhancing communication, investing in technology, and ensuring legal compliance, businesses can create a thriving environment for their remote workforce. This holistic approach not only mitigates the challenges associated with remote work but also leverages its potential to foster a more flexible, inclusive, and productive future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on relationship facts. See you next time.